why are we so committed to the mission?
Right.
It was probably about 15 years ago when I heard about the initiative that's been put on by Dr. Trevor Dixon. At the time, it was not a 501c3 organization, but I jumped on board because I'm Jamaican. I live abroad, but my heart there yard. So when we got involved, we're excited about what he was doing, and now that he formed a non-profit, we're excited to be able to provide the support. We love what he's doing. We love the initiatives that he's focused on, and so we decided to bring some of the media and production expertise that we have to really raise the level and the quality of what us as Caribbean people expect. And so we're excited to be part of it. We're excited to be able to come alongside and support. And this is, I think, is three years in now, and we want to continue to do what we can to raise the profile of the organization and to help to amplify the mission.
Well, thank you for all you do. You're your team, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
All right, appreciate it.
Cool. All right.